مرحبا, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhamed salutes you from our channel. مرحبا بكم في حلقة جديدة من العربية ببساطة. Welcome to a new episode of Arabic Simply. Let me start from where I finished the last episode. In the previous episode, we mentioned 4 important points.
Who are we targeting in this course? What is the goal we seek to reach? Why should you learn Arabic now? What are the procedures for reaching our goal?
We already talked about the first 3 points. In today's episode, we're gonna talk about point 4. What are the procedures for reaching our goal? Step 1. Take the decision. Taking the decision means that you intend to learn, that you are taking every reason to succeed. Step 2. Decide which form of Arabic you want to learn. There are many types of Arabic. It's the mother tongue and official language of nearly 30 countries in the Middle East and Northern Africa. There are different accents and pronunciations. However, brand new students should also consider modern standard Arabic, the official language of 22 Arab countries and one of the official languages of the United Nations. Also, dialects differ from country to country. Classical Arabic is common in all these countries. So, I think it will be much easier to learn standard Arabic. Before we start, I have a suggestion. We won't name it standard Arabic, but we'll name it as the Arabs used to do. Fusha. Fusha. So, it is Fusha. Fusha. Let's start our first lesson in learning Fusha. The Arabic language consists mainly of 28 letters. Each letter has a name, a symbol, and a sound. Now, let's practice together the pronunciation of Arabic letters. As you can see in the slide in front of you, those are the Arabic alphabet. Alif, 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 Ba, 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 Ta, 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 Fa, 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 Jim, 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 Ha, 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 Kha, 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 Del, 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 Vel, 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 Ra, 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 Zay, 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 Sin, 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 Sheen, شين شين صاد 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 ضاد 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 طاء 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 ظاء 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 عين 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 غين 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 فاء 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 قاف 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 كاف 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 لام 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 ميم 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 نون 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 هاء 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 واو 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 ياء ياء ياء. I know there are some difficult letters for some of you. Exactly 10 letters can be tough. Those letters are ألف حاء خاء عين غين قاف صاد ضاد طاء ظاء. Don't worry, we are going to talk about each letter in its position. Now, let's look at the Arabic letters in order. The first letter may surprise some of you. We said before that the Arabic alphabet has 28 letters, but now we will study the letter number 29. What? 29? But you said before, Arabic has only 28 letters. So, okay. Let's move step by step, okay? Our 29th letter is Hamza. Hamza. Hamza is a letter, but it is not generally part of alphabet. What? How so? Hamza is a stop sound produced by closing the vocal cords. The air stops for just a moment. To hear how Hamza sounds when appearing at the beginning of a word, listen to the pronunciation of the letter Alif. Alif. Hamza, in its written form, can appear on the same line as the other letters, or in combination with a support letter. A support letter is a letter that has Hamza above or beneath. This Hamza means It's combined along alif. It's called alif madda, and pronounced hamza on ya. We'll talk about it in its position. Hamza on waw. Also, we'll talk about it in its position. Hamza below alif. This hamza is followed by the short vowel kasra. We will speak about short vowels and long vowels in another lesson. Hamza above alif. This hamza is followed by the short vowels fatha or damma. At the end of our episode, thank you so much for watching us well. Don't forget to support us by like and share. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. If you have any suggestions, please write to us in the comments. Goodbye. إلى اللقاء.